It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR bonds. Download the INR bonds app to save better.
Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, a daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsati, and the rupee fell to record lows against the US dollar as foreign investors pulled out money from equities. The Sensex and Nifty fell sharply again, trending lower and lower. And the rupee is feeling the brunt of the money being pulled out by the foreign portfolio investors. However, the 10-year gsec yield slightly fell as the markets factored in that following US Treasury yields that fell as markets believe that now central banks will raise rates very fast to fight inflation. And this could actually bring about a recession going forward. We don't know about what's going to happen, but with so much of debt the governments are taking on and have taken on, it's very difficult for even for longer term bond yields to fall. But even more important is coming up in June is the RBI monetary policy. As we all know, RBI raised rates by 40 basis points or 0.4% in May during an intra-policy meet between the policies, largely on worries about inflation and global risk aversion. And with rupee continuing its free fall, which could actually increase the expectations of inflation that is trending very high in India as well, then RBI should raise rates by 75 basis points. And this is largely the why 75 basis points is because just before the COVID, the repo rate was at 5.15%, and they cut it in two parts. One was 75 basis points and one was 40 basis points. So they hiked rates by 40 basis points, and now they'll hike rates by 75 basis points to take it back to 5.15%. But the rate hikes are not going to stop there. So markets will start to expect a 75 basis points rate hike in June, and investors and the markets will have to be prepared for that. Thank you very much for listening in. Do not forget to download our Quick Invest app by INR Bonds app on iOS and Android for the best bonds curated by us in this inflationary time. Most information, transparency, and the best proprietary risk score, along with that in-app, seamless, and completely digital investment process. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so already.